A la embajada correspondiente, lo que
Well, the area of service is enormous. We service clients from Chile, Argentina, Brasilia. Moving up the country, we've got people who ring us from the Caribbean, as well as from Central America. Think of Nicaragua, Costa Rica. Then we also have clients who ring us from the USA, and they could be anywhere in the USA. They could be from Boston across to Los Angeles. And of course, we have clients who ring us from Canada.
Department of Immigration and Citizenship, my name is Daniela. How can I help you?
We could receive a call from somebody ringing us from Los Angeles, and they're making an inquiry about their spouse application. We can also receive a call from our office in Brasilia. We have a very large student program coming out of Brasilia, and we may have an inquiry about a student visa. The service centre is very busy. We receive 120,000 telephone calls a year, and we receive 45,000 email requests for information.
Podemos ya empezar con sus preguntas. Our job impacting in people's lives, so we always try our best to help them every day, and we receive a lot of calls and emails, and we try to answer it in the best way with migration information and visa information.
The website provides good general information, but often people want clarification about their own particular circumstances. And even though this information may be already on the website, they just want some reassurance from us that in fact that they are on track, that they are providing the sort of information that they require to be able to make a complete application.
Yeah, certainly. So the process is actually referred to as citizenship by descent. It's for all children born overseas to an Australian parent.
I love the fact that we are actually helping people with their dreams, whichever they are. People may have dreams to go to Australia to visit, finally, and we are helping with that. We're helping them achieve that dream. We are uniting people, families. We're helping people achieve their professional goals of migrating to Australia as professionals or to work in Australia. So we are basically helping make these dreams come true.